8 divided by 8 over 8 times 8. Very simple. If you do 8 divided by 8, you divide this with this to get 1. We are left with 8 divided by 8, which is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct. Why it is not correct? Because we omitted the rules called order of operation. So our order of operation rules is BODMAS. We have BODMAS, which says this B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? And when you are dealing with BODMAS, don't forget that division and multiplication have equal priority. So when you are solving from left to right. So if we follow the rules, we are going to get a different answer from what we just got just now. So let me put this tip here. And don't forget, we are going to use a rule in this place, which is the KFC rule. So if we are applying this will be like this: 8 times 8 over 8 times this 8. Because the KFC rule is keep, change, and flip. So we keep this, change this to times, and flip this. So when we do this, we have 8 times 8. This 8 times 8 times 8 will give us 512. Divide by this 8, which is equals to what? 64. So our answer is what? 64. This is the correct answer.